I'm still in Sri Lanka in south. Here, this area is my house place. I was staying with my Iranian friend a few days back, and now I'm staying here with my Russian host. And they were very nice. They were inviting me to have a meal with them, and now I'm going to buy some vegetables to cook for them dinner. Let's go together. Here is Mirisa, is just 2 kilometers from main road, but is like a more village side. Is Let's go and find some vegetables. Well, first shop I went was one young boy there, and he couldn't communicate. He didn't know much English, and he didn't know even the prices. And he told his mom is not there. It might come later, so I couldn't buy any vegetable there. I tried to go next shop. This day was very rainy here, and you see the road is very muddy, and some place is water collected. Let's go slowly to don't get wet and dirt. I'm looking for some green bean. They don't have here, but anyway, I'm buying some vegetables. Here they making hopper. It's like this. It's just 20 rupee. Thank you. Thank you. Let's eat. It's very crunchy. Yeah, like that. Very big bat trying to eat fruit.
Quá lặng. Quá lặng.
This one is very close. It fly to up there. Cooking here, mixed rice. Here we have beetroot, carrot, and some beans, greens. And cooking the rice. Hello, welcome to another my daily vlog. We are in Sri Lanka, south, Unabatuna, and heading to where? Beligama. And what we doing there, Tiana?
We're going to a English speaking club, then we go to a birthday party, something like that. So yeah.
Yeah, come
We'll
with
have a
us.
lot of fun.
Yeah, come with us, have fun. We did hitchhike to go next city. Actually, it was my first time I was doing hitchhike when it's dark. And I did because I wasn't alone. So we were together with my Iranian friend and I feel safe, so wasn't problem. And we reached safe to English club.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay longer. Alright. Who's next?
My name is Sasha. My working in Russia. This working Sri Lanka
Here.
Yeah, I've been
Why
5 times. Coming back?
Back.
Yeah, there is two reasons why I'm coming here. First reason for sure, I like here. Nature is really great, beautiful. I feel calm here. But the second reason is about visa issue. When I'm traveling, sometimes I face visa issues, so I don't have any other place to go. That's why I come here to take my time and decide for next destination.
You're traveling since 7 years?
Day after, I met a traveler from Couchsurfing and he invited me for dinner. Actually, his travel style was totally different of mine. I'm backpacker, but he was renting car and driver, so we went from Marissa to Gal City to have a dinner. All the way we talk. Actually, it's not far, maybe just less than 30 kilometers, but it can take 1.5 in Sri Lanka because of the route, and was night and rainy. So all the way we were talking and sharing our experience, our travel story. He was from Libya and he traveled a lot and he had a lot of experience. I'm happy to meet him. So let's go to see where we had dinner. Italian restaurant in Gal City.
Not mathematically. A little bit.
And our pizza is ready. Let's eat. This is vegetarian one.